Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. My name is Oluwakemi, and today I'll be showing you 3 techniques that are important in you being a professional loctician. Please like, comment, and turn on the notification button so that you are aware when I post new videos. Remember, on this channel, there is no gatekeeping. First off, I want to repair a lock that got thinned out in the middle. To do this, I will lose the tip of this lock, and then I will lose the tip of the one that came out. Then I will join both using my crochet pin. The pin I use is the 0.5 mm single pin. This is super convenient for me. You can use the 0.75 if that is convenient for you. Then with the lock now in between my index and my thumb, I'm going to be going in this forward and backward motion. I have another video where I kind of showed how I do this. Like, that video is just dedicated to you getting this technique. If you want me to explain better, you can let me know in the comment section. And as I'm doing the backward and forward motion, I remember to turn the locks in between my thumb, okay? Then I go with the bulk human hair to seal and make the point where we joined it together to be very firm. So you go again with the same technique. Once I'm done, I'm going to do a tugging test to see how strong the connection is and if it will break again. So here it is. You can see that is very firmly joined together. Okay, so let's continue with retying our locks. For my client, I use 3-point rotation. In case you're not sure what 3-point rotation is, I also have a video where I explained the 3-point rotation using numbers like the clock 12, 3, 6, 9, so that you would understand it better. Okay, and for today's scripture, I think I would like to tell you that in whatsoever your hands find it to do it well. Okay, so whatever it is you're doing for yourself, do it well, because it's just good to give out your best. Somebody's watching, and when they see that you give your best in everything you do, they will definitely recommend you if the need arises. Okay, so let's continue. Let me explain the 3-point rotation here. I'm going to 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m., 6 p.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m. It's fast, but I hope you understand that. Okay, so the second technique I want to show you is how to close off ropes. That's when your locks kind of divide into 2 at the middle. And just as I did in the video, you want to put your crochet to pass through the 2 ropes, and then you pull the lock through. In this video, I kind of showed you a failed attempt, because even the best of us, it doesn't just work. Like, sometimes we make mistake, right? Like, it's not as easy as it looks. I'm just encouraging you here that even if it doesn't pull through easily, just be patient, you're gonna get it. I'll also put a link to a video where I showed how this is done properly. Okay, and that is it. I put through it to help you create a bridge between your client's hooves, and that kind of just repairs the rope in their locks. Okay, and for the third technique, which will be coming up shortly, before that, I want to tell you that if you've watched to this moment, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. This third one is to show you how to pull through the locks, especially when your client has the tips of their hair to be very bulky. To do that, you want to put your pin on the tip, not from the middle, just on the tip. And that way, when you pull through, it makes it easier. I think you see, just like I did there, on the tip, it makes pulling through quite easy. I think this is a slow motion. And with this, I'm sure you would get the gist. If there's anything you would like me to talk about in my videos, please leave a comment and I would definitely do a video to address that. Remember, I'm here to show you what I go through. I think this is a slow motion now. So I'm here to just show you real life situations that you can encounter as a loctician, especially if you are looking to make yourself a side job or even your main job doing this. Believe me, it's worth it and you'll be happy to have the skill. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Once again, my name is Oluwakemi and I'm a loctician in Winnipeg, Canada. That's Manitoba province. For any questions you would like me to address or tips you would like me to give you, drop a comment for me. Once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.